time has come to start dressing up this Speedy. Check that out. Carbon bits. Thanks to Carbon FBR. That's a cowl, and then check the headlight ring. One of many parts to go on. Before, after. Check that out. Absolutely beautiful. Before, after. Before I get this other side cowl on, how nice does that carbon ring look? The headlight ring. And then check that out. Still a work in progress, but how does that look?